It's glad to be a member of the world with paths to artificial intelligence. We all can imagine what advantage we can leverage when AI deeply is involved in our life. When it comes to Industry 4.0, it's been discussion for over years. We do see the change which is making factory to be more productive. Though the average working hour is reducing, we do not need to compromise our output capacity. The change, which is making factory to be more friendly. The design and well-organized layout and environment are not just enhancing productivity, but also giving more security to the laborers. More than 30 years experience in information technology. ASUS IoT is converting IT know-how to artificial intelligence. Human eyes and ears are sensational artworks, which we can have sensitivity to the world. Have you ever imagined what if AI has sensitivities? AI with eyes can help us perceive visual inspection, reduce misjudgment due to burnout. AI with ears can fairly make judgment in the basis of standard and criteria. Partner with Intel and GFT, we are alignment from IT to OT, from hardware to software, from turnkey to total solution. It's a great pleasure to have Intel to give us the opening keynote to share with you the industrial momentum. Rick Pan, Product Director from ASUS AI Solution Team, will give us an overview on what we offer regarding ASUS AI software product. In order to keep the presentation flow silky smooth, you are welcome to ask questions in the chat box. We will have experts to answer your question on a real-time basis. At the later section of the webinar, Rick will answer few frequently asked questions. Nonetheless, the spotlight goes to GFT, who will share the experience and benefit they have got by applying one of ASUS IoT AI software product to a customer quality inspection process. Please make sure, do not blink in your eyes.
Hello everyone, my name is Ionuț Diaconiasa and I am the EMEA Technical Sales Specialist, part of Intel IoT Sales Business Unit. I'm here today to provide you a quick overview on Intel's industrial strategy toward the intelligent factory of tomorrow. Before starting, let me set up the stage with some of our learnings we have accumulated during our own journey toward the fully autonomous factory. As you know, Intel is managing their own factories where we reached one of the highest automation level. This journey started almost 40 years back, and at that time, most of the work was done manually. The main engine behind the transformation from a manual process toward the fully autonomous process is the data. By understanding the data generated by each device, we can optimize each process. By connecting the devices, we understand how the system works, and we can again optimize it. Looking at the data gathered at the factory level, the path for the autonomous factory becomes tangible. Based on our learnings and the technologies from our portfolio, we were able to transition toward the factory of the future, where the IT and OT are converging, opening the door for next generation of modern factories. Previously, I have mentioned data as the main driver of the industrial transformation. Data itself is useless if it is not used at the right time and the right location. The understanding of data is opening the door for new key technologies. Artificial intelligence. The way we are looking at the data is changing. We need more autonomous systems capable to interpret and take the right decision in real time. Being able to self-learn and to adapt to the new data stream is a key. Intelligent edge, the capability to take the right decision in real time at the right place. Networking, the flow of data generated by each device is growing. Looking at the autonomous world, the data flow is vital to keep the entire ecosystem in sync. Each part of a system needs to be aware of what the other parts are doing. This requires new channel of communication, more bandwidth at higher speed in a deterministic way. By combining those technologies, many problems of our day-by-day life can be addressed. Let's see how Intel and its ecosystem is addressing those problems. Starting from the bottom, the need for more complex, intelligent silicon is a major basic building block. Integrating those blocks into a system and improving the developer experience are key for a sustainable and scalable solution. Intel is investing in creating a seamless experience across our entire portfolio, helping the ecosystem partners to improve the quality of their products and to be much faster ready for deployment. Intel is partnering with key market leaders in various segments in order to address and solve the problems and challenges of each segment. This foil is offering just a glimpse of the market addressed by Intel technology through partners. And for sure, one of the strategic partners is ASUS IoT. As the market is growing and the appetite for new and diverse intelligent solutions is higher than ever, Intel is focused to address this demand by enabling the ecosystem to create a broad product portfolio for addressing the specific solution, relying on a seamless, strong, and stable set of development tools. This plethora of solutions is helping the industry to move seamlessly toward the autonomous factory. What's Intel's vision of future factory? As mentioned on the first foil, we have learned from our own experience that the data is the key driver for the autonomous factory. How the data is harvested, analyzed, interpreted, transmitted, and stored is paving the path toward autonomous factory. Intelligence at the edge through AI support and real-time capabilities will help having a better control of the entire process, improving the productivity and quality without affecting the safety and the environment. The compute capability today is providing support for workload consolidation, where various functions or applications can run together on a single system by using the virtualization capability. The connectivity part is keeping the entire factory floor in sync and is in charge of sharing the outcome and critical data between various processes or product lines. Even if it is not described explicitly, cybersecurity is the basic ingredient at every level. All those ingredients put together are forming the infrastructure for the factory of the future. Intel partnership with ASUS, and especially ASUS IoT, is playing an important role in this transition to a fully digital, intelligent, and autonomous world. The journey toward the fully intelligent and autonomous factory is not an easy one. The technology must offer a stable and reliable foundation on which we can build more complex devices and systems, moving from a single function physical device toward more complex, intelligent, and scalable multi-function devices, having the capability to take decisions and optimize the process flow. For this transition, we need a strong and trusted partnership with the IoT ecosystem, where ASUS IoT is playing an important role. Based on the strategic partnership with ASUS IoT, we can accelerate adoption of the latest technologies and help industrial customers to transition toward autonomy. Before sharing some of the success stories from the IoT world, let me explain how Intel collaborates with the ecosystem. In order to create the best technology for IoT, Intel needs to understand the problems that the market is facing through the information exchange with the end users, customers who are not buying directly from Intel. Intel is preparing the next generation of technologies for addressing their needs. Those technologies are validated with a direct partner ecosystem. If it is an ODM, OEM, ISV, SI, or CSP, and will be integrated into the next generation of intelligent devices. In this process, the partnership with ASUS IoT is playing a key role. As you see here, Intel is collaborating with the entire industrial ecosystem for addressing the problems raised by the market. And now I will guide you through some examples we have been developed with our partners and our ecosystem. The first example is coming from Audi as end customer, where, together with our ecosystem, we help them to understand better the production flow, to understand what happens at every stage. And we help them implement some edge analytics solution for improving the quality of the products and reducing the time to market. The second use case I will present to you is coming from ArcelorMittal. And again, through our ecosystem, we help ArcelorMittal to understand and to better track, the car, the wagons which are going through the factory floor. It is really important to understand each wagon, where it is addressed and where it needs to go. And based on this automated solution, they are capable right now to have a better visibility on their floor. The third use case, it is coming from an energy market. Together with Iberdrola, the biggest utility in Spain, we consolidated the substation control from 7 physical devices into one single device by virtualizing the functionality. So this work again is done together with our ecosystem and is changing the energy industry. The last example I want to provide to you is the work we are doing together with the Industry Fusion Foundation, where, as you can see, a lot of companies are working together. And Intel, through the technology and the partnership with those partners here, we are helping to move from the today industrial architecture to the next generation, to the Industry 4.0. And this is done through alliance, through ecosystem, and through collaboration with a lot of partners. At the end, I would like to thank you for the great collaboration and your trust in Intel Technologies. The market needs our intelligent devices. Let's go together and win it. Thank you very much and have a nice day.
Hello everyone. Today I'm so happy to be here to share with you what ASUS AIoT has created with regard to smart manufacturing applications. However, before we explore this topic, I would like to give you some background information. Most of you may know that it's a world-leading ASUS technology company renowned for the cutting-edge PCs, laptops, motherboards, and more. We established the AIoT business group at the end of 2019. In the 2 years since, we have worked closely with our suppliers to help them execute their own digital transformations. Now, I would like to talk about the opportunity presented by the global industrial AI market. Based on the research by the IoT Analytics, the industrial AI market will maintain a compound annual growth rate of 31% from 2018 to 2025. The top 2 use case categories, predictive maintenance and quality inspection and assurance, contribute around 50% of the overall market size. As you can see, AI technology is booming and not just research projects in schools and universities. With this in mind, all business owners should consider how to integrate AI technology to transform operations. Here, I would like to highlight the top 10 just to provide a quick insight. ASUS offers a comprehensive portfolio of hardware that tailor-made for both IoT and AI solutions. Applications for our solutions include predictive maintenance of a single asset, automatic optical inspection, production optimization, surveillance and physical threat detection. By empowering AIoT solutions via our own in-house AI, and cloud-based services, ASUS creates unique value for our customers. Specifically, ASUS AI solution all include three key factors: unique domain-focused AI models, reduction in the complexity of AI deployment, integrated software and hardware solutions with input from both internal and external partners. ASUS has built its own AI technologies, leveraging the expertise of hundreds of AI engineers and data scientists. The upshot is that our solution brings unique benefit to our customers looking to adopt AI technology across diverse verticals. From edge to cloud, ASUS can provide a one-stop shopping service and market-ready solutions. For edge computing, ASUS provides a complete computing platform from Intel Atom Core i9 series processors. But our solution goes beyond hardware. We offer software as well. ASUS offers a cloud dashboard to monitor device status and real-time data from edge equipment. Moreover, the unique ASUS AI technology can bring data insights to help customers to improve production and decision quality. If you have involved in the manufacturing field, you may know the 4M plus 1E concept. The 4M stands for man, machine, material, and method. The 1E stands for the environment. Today, ASUS provides various AI solutions for 4M plus 1E related applications. To take just one example, ASUS recently introduced the Ice Vision AI Toolkit to help customers to build up AI models for automatic optical inspection or AOI machines. In the coming slides, I'm going to share two major applications that have benefits from the innovative ASUS software offering. So let's explore those two typical applications that I wish to share with you today. The first is quality inspection for rotary products such as pumps and motors. The second related to the application of AI for AOI for defects. Traditionally, manufacturer has to rely on operator to perform manual quality checks. However, humans are not infallible. Different operators will produce different results, and even the same operator may perform differently day to day. ASUS Ice Detector is a software application that helps customers to standardize their testing process and to store data for further tracking processes. Ice Detector is an AI-based software application that can be utilized to perform quality inspection during the production phase. It provides an intuitive user interface that allows a production engineer or line manager to create an AI model in less than a minute without requiring AI expertise. Via its intuitive interface, it takes just 4 steps to create an AI model with Ice Detector. And in under a minute, after the model has been built, the line manager can switch to operator mode, then operators can start to do the job. Ice Detector requires only the level of computing power delivered by an everyday typical CPU. This means that an AI-based manufacturing system can be adopted without significant expense or infrastructure investment. Moreover, Ice Detector helps improve both quality and efficiency by providing real-time visibility into operations, allowing root cause analysis to be easily performed by a partner. To recap automatic optical inspection in a technique of visualized inspection, where a camera scans target devices for both catastrophic failure and quality defects. In this use case, ASUS AI technology could enhance the performance of traditional AOI, and with its retraining mechanism, improve continuously. The easy-to-use toolkit can reduce the development time of AI projects by up to 80%. More importantly, The models are based on ASUS' own AI technology, including the expertise of data processing, model selection, and the knowledge of hyperparameter configuration and the sufficient field data from hundreds of ASUS supply chains. ASUS Ice Vision is another easy-to-use toolkit, empowering ASUS AI techniques for the application of machine vision. Ice Vision provides 3 working models for AI training, inference, and batch training scenarios, called trainer, runtime, and scheduler. Moreover, Ice Vision is very simple to use with just 4 steps to create powerful AI models just in minutes. From project initiation through labeling, training, and verification. The process is entirely mouse-controlled with no need to write the code. Let's talk about unique features. Ice Vision provides various AI algorithms, including classification, object detection, segmentation, and anomaly detection. Perhaps the most interesting feature is anomaly detection. This is perfect for finding outliers in product defect inspection systems. It can reduce the training time from hours to minutes. Regarding the integration, Ice Vision can create powerful AI models that can be integrated into customers' AOI programs via C++, C#, and Python, providing seamless integration. So that's just a brief overview of the software offering from ASUS. Now, I would like to introduce our powerful industrial computing platforms. With strong support from Intel, ASUS is able to create a wide variety of systems to fulfill diverse industrial demands. Consider AOI machines, for example. This requires high-performance computing power, so ASUS hardware can be specified with latest generation Intel Core i9 or Xeon processors. In the manufacturing, production optimization entails observation the production process in real time and dynamically adjusting various parameters to maximize the production performance. In this use case, ASUS IoT Edge Computing Platform provides manageable and security to manage AIoT devices in the field. Device management is also a critical issue for the realization of smart manufacturing. ASUS IoT Cloud Console is a unified platform for management and analyzing big data collected by IoT devices running different operating systems. Considering smart manufacturing, ASUS defined our product strategy to categorize our product portfolio into 3 segments. The first is Edge Gateway. The model implies an ARM-based quad-core processor to perfectly balance power consumption and computing power. The second is the Edge Aggregator. The model implies a 15-watt Intel Core i processor, empowering greater computing power and physical interface support. The third segment is the Edge Server. The model implies a 35 or 65-watt Intel Core i processor, and features the 3 PCI Express expansion slots for graphics, I/O, and the I/O accelerator card. So let's just take a moment to recap what I have presented to you today. ASUS IceDetect is a powerful application software to improve production quality and production efficiency. ASUS Ice Vision is an innovative AI toolkit that empowers traditional AOI machine to deliver AI-powered inspection. In addition, ASUS offers a comprehensive lineup of industrial computing platforms for a diverse array of applications. ASUS IoT AI solution brings artificial intelligence to your factory. That conducts my presentation today. I hope this has been a useful insight into how ASUS technology can help transform your operations. Thanks for your time.
30 years is the evidence that speaks about our consistency and excellence in the technology market. We generate value for our customers through the adoption of exponential technologies. Hi, I'm Ignacio Barri, Head of Business Development at GFT, and today I'm really pleased to announce our partnership with ASUS, by the way, in a very innovative space, our Digital Innovation Lab. We are committed to work together to push the boundaries of computer vision and to generate innovative AI-based solutions for our industrial customers. Please stay tuned for further developments that we will publish. Keep in touch and keep safe.
Machine learning and artificial intelligence technologies are a real revolution in the field of computer vision solutions for industrial problems. Welcome. My name is Anthony Munar. I am the Data Science and Artificial Intelligence Solutions Lead here at GFT. Machine learning has been a real revolution because it allows you to define solutions for problems in industry, not coding expert knowledge in explicit rules, but learn from data. Data that usually you don't need so huge them, and that data that you can train algorithms for that and directly produce algorithms that will take decisions to solve your industrial problems. In the case that we want to present you today, we will review a concrete customer problem that had in the production line in real time. With the help of the ASUS Tech AI Vision solution, train an algorithm, produce them and deploy them back in the production line, and with the GFT data scientist that can guide you to all this process so you can do it in a reproducible manner and modifying depending on the operational and production conditions that you may have. So therefore, you have a solution that is easy to develop, easy to modify, and almost ready to be deployed in your production line. Welcome to the revolution of machine learning for computer vision problems.
Hi everyone, my name is Daniel Verdu, and I'm a senior AI engineer focused on visual inspection tasks here at GFT. So I'm here in order to present how ASUS Tech AI solutions can be used in order to solve some of our clients' problems. So I want to show our partnership with Café Silvestre, which is a coffee capsule manufacturer located at Valencia, Spain. So the goal of this project is to increase the final manufacturing quality of coffee capsules by means of using AI models that allows us to reduce operational costs, to increase final user satisfaction, and to predict which conditions and parameters increase the final quality performance. So now I want to talk a bit in depth about the technical solution. For this project, we have implemented and trained two different models. First of them is an object detection model, which detects the position of the capsules over the conveyor. The second of the model is a binary classificator which detects and distinguishes between valid and non-valid capsules. So the pipeline is the following. First, we take a general image of the conveyor. This image is sent to the first of the models, and the model returns as many outputs as capsule it has detected. So for each detection, it returns a bounding box of the capsule together with a confidence score, which represents how sure is the model that this object is a capsule. For each detection, the image is cropped and the crop image is sent to the classificator, which classify the image between valid and non-valid. In case a non-valid capsule appears, the model sends a signal to the conveyor that allows us to stop the line and to remove this capsule before it arrives till the end of the line. So I hope you have enjoyed this use case, and it has helped to realize how AI solutions can be used and to solve some of the industrial problems. Thanks for attending.
Thanks for your join. Welcome to Q&A section. So I think our audience is so enthusiastic. They leave a lot of questions. We will pick up some. Even the time is so limited. We will have Rick to answer your questions. Okay, let me pick up some questions. I think today we really have a lot of questions. Let me check. Okay, can AI model training to be done locally?
Okay, so I think that is a good question because most of the data, our customers, they have the security concern. So we would like to put these kind of things in their factory or in their company. So we build our software can use those data locally without upload to the cloud. So that is make sure the customer's data safety.
Okay, I think that's really great. Okay, next one. What is the unique feature of the ASUS AIS Vision?
ASUS AIS Vision, we have a lot of features, but the most unique feature is abnormal detection, because the abnormal detection only take good examples for the customers to do the AI modeling. That unique feature can reduce the training time from hours to minutes. So they are really a big helper for our customers.
Okay, wonderful. Okay, yeah, I think we still have plenty of the questions.
No problem.
Maybe by the time, let's pick up still a few. Okay, next one. Can ASUS provide the turnkey solution for system integration, including software and hardware?
Okay, so I think that is a good question because ASUS, we provided not only software but also hardware. As you know, we have a server, we have a workstation, so we can do the internal testing to make sure the compatibility for the software and hardware. So the customers don't worry about the compatibility issue.
Okay, I think that's really convenient for a lot of customers. That's really great.
Yes.
Okay, let's pick up next one. Okay, does defect response differently or have the limitation to different material service, such like metal, plastic, or other material?
Yes, I think that is a reality in the world because when we did the POC project with our customers, we did interface a lot of different kind of defects and different kind of materials. So we have customized the different kind of AI models to fit different kind of defects in the real world. So you can use our AIS Vision to fit different kind of applications. It's not a problem for us.
Okay, good. Due to limit of time, I think I only can pick up the last one, even though I got really tons of the questions now. Okay, let's choose the last one. Okay, besides using accelerometers and microphone for vibration and sound test, may I use other source for AI analysis?
Okay, I think this question is related to our another software tool, which is AIS Detector. The AIS Detector design is not only for the online data, but also for the offline data. So customers, they can find the data from the CSV file or WAV file and import into our AIS Detector to the analysis.
Okay, good. So I think that's today's Q&A. If you have more questions or your question not been answered, you can leave your questions by scanning the QR code. We will have experts and teams to respond to you by regions locally. So thank you for joining today.
Thank you.